Let's see how to redact in PDF for free. All you have to need, use the Adobe Acrobat app. In Adobe Acrobat, open the PDF file, which one you want to redact, and then go to Tools section. Here, you have to click on this Redact under Product and Standardize section. Click on Redact, and here, click on Mark for Reduction. And here you can select redact pages or redact text and images. So I'm selecting a text and images. Click on OK. And now select those area you want to redact, just like this. It could be text or image. Once you highlight it, now click on Apply. Click on OK. Click on Yes. And it may take some moments to redact those selected portion. Once done, click on Close. And here, as you can see, this area or this text is now completely hidden or redact. So that's how you can do it.